And right now, who we have is Andre Lambe. I guess the Nax Nicky Bascom. Is that something we can call you?
Yeah, I guess so. I'm the next Andre Lambe.
I was told to correct myself and to let you know that you are the next, the only, one and only Andre Lambe. So Andre, what's your nickname?
I ain't got no nicknames right now, but I'm going to establish myself soon and you guys will have names for me.
Andre Arab, no? we work something out. We work something out. But so you're 18 years old, am I right?
I'm 18, yeah.
Okay. And what school do you attend in Bermuda?
I'm at Bermuda College, actually. I just finished Cedar Bridge.
Oh, okay. What are you studying at Bermuda College?
Computer science right now.
Oh, computer science, very, very interesting. So not only are you interested in boxing, you're also interested in academics, which is very important in today's society. So what do you think is your signature move or your biggest attribute when you're fighting?
Probably my straight left hand, because I'm a southpaw, and then secondly, I like double right hooks. Those are my favorite shots.
Don't want to let all the secrets out onto the fight. So, Mr. Lambe, is there anything that you have to say to anybody at all, period, before you step into the ring tonight?
Just watch and see. That's all I got to say.
Just watch and see. I like that.
In the red corner, our visitors to the island, Mass, no stranger to Barclay Gym. We have representing Canada and 5th round, Mr. Nick Hoover. Making his way to the ring, a fighter out of Rigo's gym. Okay, and entering the ring out of Rigo's gym, Mr. Andre Lambe. Andre ably assisted there by Mr. Nicky Bascom, who's turned pro last year. We're hoping to see great things out of Nicky. Charlotte.
The difference that you're going to see with Andre's punches, Mike, is that they're going to be well placed. I don't expect to see him waste any energy. Any punches he gives is going to be full on, but accurate.
Yeah, but Hoover's right in his face.
Hoover is no stranger to this type of fight. He's a Muay Thai, fighter.
Yes, I interviewed him prior to the fight tonight, and he said he wants to expand a bit, and he's moving into boxing a bit.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you can see that his gym, his efforts has been paying off because he looks no stranger to this type of competition. Even though Lambe is a strict boxer and Hoover, a Muay Thai fighter, it's an even match dead on right now, Mike.
I give the edge slightly to Hoover.
And I give the edge slightly to Hoover. I can't disagree with that, Mike. After seeing that just now, I can't disagree with that at all.